In this lesson, let us try to learn something about layers. Now on the computer screen, you see a drawing. You see a drawing of what? You see a drawing of, let me just minimize this one. You will see a drawing of what? You will see a drawing of a building plan in which you have got a toilet for ladies, and then you have got a toilet for handicapped persons, and then you have got a janitor storage, so on and so forth. Now somebody comes and sees this drawing and he says this drawing is very nice. Actually, can you give me a copy of this drawing without the doors or without the plumbing fixtures? Then how to do it? Is it possible? And you can see there is some hatching also over here which is showing concrete. Okay. So now how to do this one? Then in such a case, what we need to do is we need to just go here and then delete the, use a erase command, remove all these doors and give. That is not a good work. Okay. Now what we do here is that we organize our work in layers. So these layers will help us to organize our drawings properly. Now we will keep the doors on one particular layer, then we will keep all this plumbing fixtures on another layer, and then we keep the concrete work on another layer. So like this, if we put all the work in different layers, we will have a very good command of managing the colors of the lines and then the dimensions and then the how and what way the drawing looks. So layer control helps us to do all this work. Now let us just go and see if another drawing in which I have organized everything in layers here. See here, I have got this drawing. In this drawing you can see that I have got different colors for different things. For partitions I have got red color, for the doors I have got cyan color, and then plumbing fixtures I have got yellow colors. Okay, so everything is properly organized now. So now let me go to this drawing over here. Let me just click on this one. So here when I am in this drawing, you can see here I have got a layers panel. In this layers panel you see many things. You see a layer properties manager. If you just go over here, you can see in this icon itself there are different sizes of different layers. You can see you have got 3 papers over here, each one representing one layer, and there are many other commands over here. And then here you see something white color and 0. Okay, let me open this layer manager. Okay, when I open this layer manager, you can see over here I have got lot of layers over here. Right here, see 0 is there, and there is a tick mark over here. So the tick mark is telling that I am present in 0 layer. Okay, now let me go back here. Let me just close this one. Let me go to this drawing number 1. Now let me see here what it is showing me. It is showing me here by layer. Do you see here? It is showing me by layer. Let me just open this panel. In this drawing, everything is on one layer. If I want to just delete, if I click on this one, if I just go and delete, see everything is getting deleted. Whereas in this case, if I come to this drawing, in this drawing you can see it is a public toilet. I am present where? I am present in 0 layer. Okay, and I am making this as my current layer. If I open this one, see here I am on 0 layer. What I will do is I will just go and just on this door there is a bulb here. I will close this bulb. See, the doors are missing now. I will just go to flooring. I will close flooring. See, the texture of the flooring is missing. I will go to plumbing and I will close this one. See, the plumbing is missing. Is this clear? So what can I do is I can switch on the layers. I can switch off the layers, right? And then there is another thing over here. You can see the layers. You have got a lock sign. I will just press these doors. I will close it. Okay, see, it is locked now. I cannot delete this layer anymore. Now by mistake also I cannot delete. See here, I will just go here, click. I will click on the door. See here, nothing is getting deleted. Is this clear? So with the layer control, you can do a lot of things. If you open the layer manager, see here the layer manager is opening. Let me make it a little big. Now see, now you have got what? You have got names of the layers, and then unfortunately it is all looking very small. You can always make it big. It is just like Excel sheet. Okay, let me make it big. Now in this one, what can you do? You can do many things with the help of layer control manager. Okay, now you can see here I have got all the layers shown over here. On top you have got many icons. This icon is showing, if I click on this one, a new layer will get added. See there? A new layer gets added. I can give a name for that layer. I can define the properties of that layer. Let me call it as sample. Okay. Click it. So now sample has come here. See, this layer is on, means whatever you draw on this layer you can see in this drawing. And then you can see over here there is something which is called as freeze. Is this clear? If I freeze it, nothing can be done on this layer. Okay. Then I can lock this layer. If I close it, see, whatever is present on that layer is locked. Nobody can do anything with that. Nobody can modify it. So now if I go to plot, here what you can do, you can stop printing this. Like for example, I have got a drawing here in front of me. Somebody wants this drawing without this handicap toilet, gents toilet, whatever labeling we have done. Nobody wants this. Somebody wants without printing this. You just go and disable printing. So what happens? It will print this layer without these titles. Is this clear? Then you can select what should be the color of the line. If you have a color printer, then you can have different colors for your different objects. See here, right now I have got white. Then what type of line we have got? Different types of lines are there. See, and then we have got line weight. Now let me just go over here. I will click on this. The moment I click on this, another dialog box is opening. So there are different line types. I can go to load. I can have, let us say, see, there are different line types. Border lines, and then dash line, center line, hidden line, dividing line, all sorts of things are there. See here, tracks are there, zigzag is there. Is this clear? I can define zigzag, let us say. Okay, right, I will say okay. Now see here what it has done. It will upload zigzag for me here. Okay, I can select zigzag and then I will upload. See here, zigzag is coming. And then line weight. So what should be the scaling and what should be the size, all those things you can define over here by going to this place, by clicking on this one. Transparency, do you want it to be 100% opaque or you want it to be transparent? All those things can be defined over here in the layer manager control. Okay. Now see here, I will come to this drawing. Now when I come to this drawing, let me just click on this drawing. It is full now. So now what I will do now, let us say I don't want what, I don't want to have this. I can do very good color control now. See here, I just want to change the color of this ladies toilets, all these things. I will just go to the layer over here and see where is that text. Text is here. I will open this one. See here, the moment I open it, I am in text layer. I can even go to this one. So let me go to layer manager. So now I come over here, text. See, the line is tick here. So this is showing that I am on this current layer. Okay, I will just go to the color panel. I will change the color. Which color you want? I don't want this color. Let us say I want green color. I will type on green. Say okay. Now see here, everything has become green. Whereas if you wanted the other drawing, that is which drawing? This drawing you wanted. If you want to change the color of this text, then what you should do? I should select this, go select this, select this, select this, select this, and then I have to right click, go to properties. Then I have to go here to the color. Then I have to click here and change the color to green color. See here, so much of work is there. And again, further, whatever I am going to type is not going to guarantee me that the color is green here. Now see, let me type something here. Let me type my name. Okay, name of the subject. I will type the name of the subject as computer aided drafting. See here, what is the color now? The color is blue color, isn't it? I mean, sorry, the color is what? White color. It did not become green color. So again I have to go and select the color from here. This is the problem with what? This is the problem if you have everything on one layer. Okay, by default the computer will always have one layer. Okay, before switching on or switching off the layers, the computer will ask. Right now I am in text layer. I just want to go and switch off this one. Okay, Now see, it is asking me because this is the current layer. Okay, do you really want to switch off the current layer? It is asking me. All other layers, go to the door. See, go to the door. I am in the door layer now. Now what I will do, I will try to switch off plumbing. See, if I want to switch off plumbing, it will do. Now see here, when you switch off, the color has changed now. See here, everything is gone, whatever you had switched, because that was not the current layer, so it did not ask you. Your current layer is what? Your current layer is door. Plumbing and granite, I want to switch on. See, I will switch on. See, it came back. If I want to switch off, you can very clearly see things are vanishing. So this is the benefit of having layers. See, the current layer, if you want to turn off, it will always ask you. Okay, keep the current layer on. Fine. So this is the way the layer control layers will help us to make our drawings organized properly, so that whichever layer we want, we can just print that one. You can have, like if you have got a building drawing, you will be having electrical fittings on one layer, then plumbing fittings on another layer, furniture layout on another layer, doors and windows on another layer, concrete and flooring on another layer. So all these layers you can switch on and see if things are all matching properly or not. And then whichever you want to print, you can print that particular layer, and then all other you can disable in printing, as I showed you here. If you open it, let's open from layer properties. See here, you have printing command. Where is that printing command? See here, plot. If you don't want to plot it, just disable it like this. It will not plot that one, or it will not print. Thank you very much for watching this video.